Ever wondered how Microsoft tackled cybervillains? Microsoft caught them using a secret weapon, the MS App Installer. Bad actors sold kits on the dark web with MSX files and the MS App Installer trick. They created fake ads for popular apps, leading folks to shady websites where they unknowingly downloaded malware. These troublemakers played dirty with phishing through Microsoft Teams, sending tricky messages to lure people into downloading malicious stuff. Now, why did they choose the MS App Installer trick? It's like a secret passage for them, slipping past safety measures like Microsoft Defender Smart Screen. Microsoft named and shamed culprits: Storm 0569, Storm 1113, Sangria Tempest, aka FIN7, and Storm 1674. Caught red-handed since mid-November, one played a middleman, handing off the dirty work to another who unleashed Black Basta ransomware. Another dropped a malware called Gracewire, and the last one pretended to be Microsoft OneDrive and SharePoint through Teams messages. The good news? Microsoft isn't taking this lying down. They disabled the sneaky MS App Installer trick in the latest App Installer version. But guess what? This isn't the first rodeo for these MSX files causing trouble. In October 2023, Elastic Security Labs found them spreading malware for big names like Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Kudos to Microsoft for taking a stand against cyber troublemakers. It's a digital superhero move to keep our tech world safe. Stay tuned for more updates, and if you're thrilled about staying one step ahead of hackers, hit that subscribe button. Let's keep the tech space clean and secure together.